Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to grow your business on TikTok, whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or a digital marketer, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up your TikTok Ads Manager account from scratch, step by step. This guide is designed to be evergreen, meaning it will stay relevant even as TikTok evolves, so bookmark this video and come back whenever you need a refresher. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your TikTok advertiser account fully created and ready to launch your first ad campaign. Let's dive in. Why use TikTok Ads Manager? Before we get into the setup process, let's talk about why you should use TikTok Ads Manager. TikTok isn't just for entertainment, it's one of the most powerful platforms for reaching Gen Z, millennials, and even younger audiences. With over 1 billion active users worldwide, TikTok offers unmatched access to highly engaged consumers. And with TikTok Ads Manager, you can run targeted ads to reach specific demographics, boost your organic content with paid promotion, track performance with detailed analytics, scale campaigns based on real-time data. Whether you're selling physical products, offering services, or building a personal brand, TikTok Ads Manager gives you the tools to grow on any budget. Step 1. Go to TikTok for Business. So, where do you start? Head to your browser and search for TikTok for Business. You'll see the official site at getstarted.tiktok.com appear at the top of the results. Click on the link titled TikTok for Business. It's usually marked as a sponsored result or labeled clearly. That takes you directly to the official portal. Once you're there, you'll see a clean homepage that says, "Get your business discovered on TikTok." This is your gateway to everything TikTok advertising. Now, look for the Create an Account button, usually pink and located near the bottom left. Click it. Direct tip pro tip: if you already have a TikTok profile, you can skip some steps later. But for now, we're starting fresh. Step 2. Create your advertiser account. You're now on the Create Advertiser Account page. This is where your journey begins. Here's what you'll need: a valid email address, preferably business-related. A strong password, 6 to 20 characters, ideally with letters, numbers, and symbols. Internet connection and a device with a modern browser. Let's go through the form together. First, enter your email address. This will be your login for the Ads Manager. Make sure it's one you check regularly. Next, create a secure password. TikTok requires it to be between 6 and 20 characters. Avoid using simple passwords like password 123. Then, you'll see 2 checkboxes. White heavy checkmark: agree to terms of service and privacy policy. This is mandatory. Tick it. White heavy checkmark: subscribe to emails, optional. You can choose to opt in for updates from TikTok for Business. It's helpful if you want to stay informed about new features and promotions. Now, click the Continue button. Lightbulb bonus option: you can also sign up using your existing TikTok account by clicking Sign up with TikTok. This is faster and automatically links your personal profile. But if you're setting up a brand account, using an email is recommended so you can manage multiple campaigns without tying it to a personal profile. Step 3. Verify your email. After clicking Continue, TikTok will send a verification email to the address you provided. Go ahead and open your inbox, look for an email from TikTok. It might be in your Promotions tab or spam folder. Inside, you'll find a verification link. Click it to confirm your email address. Once verified, you'll be redirected back to the TikTok Ads Manager dashboard. Locked with key security note. Always make sure you're on the official site, https://ads.tiktok.com, before entering any credentials. Never share your login details. Step 4. Set up your business profile. Now that your account is verified, it's time to complete your business profile. You'll be asked to provide key information such as your business name, your industry category, e.g., fashion, beauty, education, your country/region, your business website, if applicable. These details help TikTok understand who you are and how to target your audience effectively. You may also be prompted to upload a logo and write a short description of your business. Keep this concise and professional. This is what potential customers will see. White heavy checkmark pro tip: use high-quality images and include keywords related to your niche. For example, if you sell eco-friendly skincare, mention sustainability in your bio. Once all fields are filled, click Save or Complete Setup. Step 5. Access TikTok Ads Manager dashboard. Congratulations! You're now officially in the TikTok Ads Manager dashboard. This is your command center. From here, you can create and manage ad campaigns, monitor performance metrics, adjust budgets and schedules, analyze audience insights. The interface is intuitive but packed with features. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming at first. We'll cover how to run your first campaign in a future video. For now, take a moment to explore the Campaigns tab, where all your ad campaigns live. The Audiences tab, to build custom targeting groups. The Analytics tab, to track ROI, engagement, and conversions. Globe with Meridian's fun fact: TikTok uses AI to optimize your ads in real time. So even if you're new, the platform helps you learn and improve quickly. Best practices and common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few best practices and things to avoid. White heavy checkmark: use a dedicated business email. Don't use your personal Gmail for business accounts. White heavy checkmark: keep your profile updated. Update your contact info and business details regularly. White heavy checkmark: start small. Begin with a modest budget, like $5 to $10 per day, to test your creatives and audience response. Crossmark: avoid misleading claims. TikTok has strict policies against false advertising. Crossmark: don't reuse personal content. Always create ads specifically for paid campaigns. Organic videos often don't convert well as ads. Crossmark: skip verification. If you're running ads for e-commerce or finance, TikTok may require additional verification. And that's it. You've successfully created your TikTok Ads Manager account. You now have full access to one of the most dynamic advertising platforms in the world. Whether you're launching a product, promoting a service, or building awareness, TikTok Ads Manager is your tool to scale. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss another marketing tip. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you want more tutorials like this, how to create your first ad, how to target the right audience, or how to measure success, let me know. I'll make those next. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep growing, keep creating, and stay smart. See you in the next video.